Welcome to Mandarin for Beginners. This video will help you master essential HSK1 vocabulary and conversation skills with Luna and Kiko. We will build up your Mandarin skills in 3 blocks: vocabulary, sentences, and conversation. We will start with foundational vocabulary pieces and then combine them into sentences and real-life exchanges. Let's begin with key vocabulary for people and pronouns. Learn to say I, me, wo, you, ni, he, him, ta, she, her, ta, teacher, lao, shi, and student, shui, sheng. Next, we have key action verbs. These include be, she, have, you, love, like shi huan, eat, she, drink, he, and go, hu. Here are key vocabulary words for everyday items: water, shui, tea, cha, apple, pinguo, rice, mifan, book, shoe, and computer, dianao. To build simple sentences like I am a student, use the structure: pronoun plus you, she plus noun. To ask a yes-no question, simply add ema to the end of the statement, such as, are you a doctor? To express what you like, the structure is pronoun plus shi huan plus verb plus noun. For example, I like to drink tea. A bonus phrase is wusta kandayani, which means to look/watch a movie. It's important to know essential politeness phrases. To thank someone, say haha, siexi, and the response is haha bukechi. To apologize, say hua duibuki, and the reply is haha meguanchi. Practice conversation with phrases like hello, ni hao, and very happy to know you, hengao xingren shi ni. Remember, goodbye is ai shi zaijian. Practice offering a drink. Please drink water is yao qing he shui. A possible response is thank you, I don't drink water. I like to drink tea, shexi wo bu he shui, wo shi huan he cha. To recap, Mandarin words are simple blocks with no conjugations. The logical structure is subject plus verb plus object. You can form yes-no questions by adding yi ma. Always remember politeness with to harness yeda and yeda, qing. You now know the core logic of HSK1 vocabulary. To hear these words in action and perfect your pronunciation, watch the Easy Mandarin Animation YouTube channel.